Assalamu alaikum guys, my YouTube families, fans, how are you? And you can see today I am here right now, Burj Khalifa. It's 2020, 30, tomorrow is going to be almost 2021. So guys, just I came to see here Burj Khalifa right now. They are ready, you can see it's for the safety, whatever they did everything to make safe to each person, and this is very nice. All the safeties, everything is complete for tomorrow night show 2021, and really is very nice Burj Khalifa here. I just visit everything. It looks so amazing and so good. Lightings outside Burj Khalifa, everything is looks so beautiful. So guys, just watch my full video. I hope you will enjoy this video, and just give comments if you like, and write below comments. And if you are new on my channel, please just subscribe my channel, and stay safe, stay blessed, and happy new years to everyone in advance.
Hello guys, my YouTube families, how are you? I hope you are doing well. And guys, today I am here right now in Burj Khalifa, as you can see. Hi guys, here we are right now in Burj Khalifa, and it's getting ready for the tomorrow, and we are here already. You can see here, I will show you the whole Burj Khalifa right now, and I am here down the Burj Khalifa. You can see, I hope it looks beautiful. Wow, stay tuned. I hope you will enjoy this vlog. I'm going to capture all the lighting here, and it looks so beautiful. My beautiful fans, I wish to be everyone, if you are going to be in 2021 to be here in this place to take pictures, I will pray for your success, and I hope next year you can be visit here to take pictures. My all fans out of countries who's out of from UAE, they can come here next year, then you can enjoy here. Looks so beautiful here, and on the way the lighting also is very beautiful. I'll show you here. Is looks so beautiful, really. I hope you are going to enjoy, guys. So guys, this is Burj Khalifa downtown. I hope you will enjoy this lovely lighting here, and the towers I am gonna show you. This looks so beautiful and amazing. Night view is tomorrow. It's going to be 2021, and mostly there is so many lighting here in downtown. So let's see. I'm gonna another side right now. So guys, this is Burj Khalifa, and this you can see what they are going to do tomorrow. Lighting here 2021. So beautiful here at this time. So nice. And this is guys, this they repair for the people standing here. You can see one person. Stay safe. So for one person. So guys, this you can see. This is downtown Burj Khalifa. So guys, this is all for the safety for the all people you see on the way. There is they make like box. This everybody they have to stay here. Each box one person. And I show you also that side. This is all the beside Burj Khalifa. They prepare like this. All the way they prepare like this. Guys, I'm going here. Back side you can see it look very beautiful, right? This is so nice. Here tomorrow here will be full all the place. Oh, what about this view, guys? It look beautiful. And this is the view will be here like this. You are standing here Then you can see Burj Khalifa from here to there. This is Burj Khalifa here, top. This is the way people will walk here. Inside this way, all the people will walk. Guys, look the view here. All lighting just did it for the New Year's. You can see. So guys, this is the downtown. I'm showing you here downtown. It looks so beautiful right now because of New Year. So friends, this is the place first aid and the lost and found rooms. If you lost something and if you have some problem, you can contact with them, or if you need first aid, you can come here. This is for the safety also. Really very beautiful. I'm enjoying here in downtown. It looks so nice. So many people around me, they are walking and taking pictures. This is fans, the lighting here is looks so nice. So many people taking picture with their families, and this is so amazing. Looks very nice. And almost there is the resident house. You can see it's a very beautiful look. Wow, very beautiful Burj Khalifa view. Can see fans, is look amazing from here. Fans, this is Dubai Opera, and this way is going to be down to the where is the water fountain, also that side. And right now I will go there and let's show you what they prepare their stage, and wherever all the people they will come to see the Burj Khalifa show. That's a nice area. And here looks so amazing also, and there is downside. Okay, let's go there and see what they prepared there. This is Emaar Dubai. Who live in Dubai, they knows about Emaar very well. Here mostly the buildings in downtown Emaar, and my mostly nice fans, they are out of country right now. They said we miss so much Dubai, so I hope you can see here what changed already. Maybe you left from 2 years, 3 years, but Dubai hopefully change everything. So fans, this is the way going to be the stage. You can see stage first there is, and this is the way going that side. I hope you will enjoy tomorrow. You can come with your friends, families to see here Burj Khalifa show tomorrow night. Wow, it's look beautiful here, and so many people they are here already with families taking pictures, enjoying night walking. This looks so amazing here, very nice. And another side is entrance. So guys, you can see I'm in front of Burj Khalifa right now, and this view look very beautiful, amazing. And this is going way to the entrance. So guys, let's go inside and see what inside they prepared. So guys, this will be the tomorrow function place, here Burj Khalifa, and you can see it's very good. So guys, this will be the place tomorrow where is going to be the show, and this is here. You can see it's look very nice, and this is the stage when they are going to announce for 2021. You can see here is the Burj Khalifa. See the view. So my beautiful fans, tomorrow guys, if you are coming here, please wear the mask
and come properly with your safety. You can enjoy everything everywhere, but still remember there is COVID-19. So please wear the mask always, and see is good look here, and hope you are going to enjoy. And inshallah, I hope we are going to finish this corona in 2020. Friends, this is Burj Khalifa right now. The fountain water show going to start, and let's see the show. After show, I will show you another side. Tomorrow night we'll be here. So much fun, music, lightings. You can take picture, you can make memories. It's look really very beautiful lighting. You can see, guys. It looks so nice, and I hope you are going to enjoy and take very nice pictures here when you are going to come to see 2021. Happy New Year, guys. Advance to everyone. Happy New Year. I hope this year will be good for everyone. And this is another side, guys. Korea, Dubai. You can see. Oh, it's look very nice. So many families they are here. Some they are eating food, eating outside, just enjoying. And this you can see. You can take picture here also with hand. And it's so nice. Still show is there again start. And Burj Khalifa, enjoying people, so many here. You can see the lightings and have much more fun. Hope so tomorrow. So guys, right now I'm going home, and this was vlog today. And still on the way you can see the lighting. We'll show you all the lighting, which one they did downtown on the way. And they make the scares boxes for the standing people. I will show you that all the way they have that, and this looks so nice. You can watch the all lighting, and I hope you enjoy this video today. Thank you for watching.